Viewers, subscribers, me just witnessed something I never think would ever seen in Jamaica. I mean, we hear about them things here, but I one thing to hear about it and to actually see it happen. Two different type of thing. My viewers, subscribers. So first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. This man here go up on our apps and decide say, you know, we have a video this one here. You see my people, so I'm go up on the apps and him video the actual thing. And as me say, usually we see them things here upon like clippings of Mexico, one of them country, the man pull up on bike and just start empty clipping a man face and all of them things here. But actually, we've seen it, well, not for the first time, but now we can see them things here happening in Jamaica because we have proof. Remember, you know, we've been here so them things here happening, like regular man see them go up on crime and them video the actual thing. But trust me, if you see this video here, my people, usually if you want the video, you can send me a DM, a direct message on Instagram. You'll see the name on the screen also. The link will be in the description at Just Vibes Radio, spelled JUVIBESRADIO. Shot me an instant message and we'll send you the actual video. You see, my people. Now, get this video to at least 100 or 160 likes. You see it, my people, and me show you the full exact video. You see it, me not gonna show the person face, but the full exact video, my people. But caution, my phone watch the video, ensure say you not have no meal, you not eat nothing, and you not so sober. You get me? Because the video that you're about to see and the video that you will see is disturbing, my people. Like only the man with the strongest stomach and the strongest heart can actually watch this video here. Like tell the people, me need a word for actually describe a video here. Me don't even want to use graphical, is it, or rated R or whatever, but the video, my people. At first I'm just watch it, but I consume one little sandwich. I'm tell you the truth, me have to say, yo, Jano, I look at things, you know, some man are tough and certain way, and you see me, when people, it don't look good, not a good sight. You see it, and me don't know what happen. As me say, me are no police, or you know, if you want to find out what happen, you have to go link a next man for a next man channel. But we have to come talk about that. We have to come talk about the video, how graphical it is. You see it, and everybody, if you watch this video here right now, you can testify. So no lie me I tell, like time on time we hear about these kind of act where man go on apps and video it, but we have never, well, only a few people can actually see a video of a man doing the actual apps, or you get me, upon the actual apps. Unless you're about that life and you know man have people them family or them friends do things, so then we of course see them things here. But for like average civilians like myself, you see it, where you're not gonna really see them things unless you watch it on a WhatsApp status. Probably something will happen India, Mexico, Brazil, around them place there. But my people, just by looking at the video, and I mean, I don't want nobody say, well, I don't think nobody will ever say this is not Jamaica, the video, but the video is actually in Jamaica. It was a killing that took place this morning, my people. You see it, and I tell you, it's rough. You see it, rough, and this actually show you see Jamaica not just stop murder rate within the region for nothing at all. You see this, them things here show you see how Jamaica is actually a savage and gruesome country. You see my people, and day by day we actually kind of see them things here. We see it play out. You see it, and as me say earlier in the video, I want thing to talk about something, you know, and describe it. No care you describe it vividly, no care how you try to describe it or paint an actual or physical picture pan where I say it still not make sense until you actually see it. You see me? Until you actually see it, my people, it's a different story. You see it, and while this video is not so yet viral, I mean, by the time you hear this video, it is already out there. You see it, a few people might have the video, you see, but it's not out there as yet. You see it, but who knows, my people? It just, it's not a good sight, my people. And as me say, if me send the video and I watch it, Janu, Watch it at your own risk. Don't come say yo me sending something where not watchable or it too graphical. You see, because that's the nature of the video. Really, really graphical. You only can see the man just start video. You see, like the man pull up on him, when him jump, then the man just start video. You see it? Go over him, start video. A big things that fly all about. You see it? Scene look mucky and dirty, my people. You see me? And when I hear me say mucky and dirty, you're supposed to know what me attack. You see me? And the man no move off in an urgent fist like him want really and truly escape or left the scene. You see it? The man just calm. You see it? Tuck back him in peace now in pocket and just walk away. You see it? And little after, then you see people come on and look on the scene and the man just spread out in the middle of the road. So you see it? Just spread out. Me have to say, yo, Jano, my viewers, subscribers, them things are really dark in Jamaica for you. But as me say, been happen, but we never see it. If it's a normal civilian, then not go see them things here. You see, but all me can tell the item is just Jano, guidance and protection upon the road, because a whole heap of things are going right now. You see me, as you can see, and long before the pandemic and the COVID alone kill people right now. You see, people are drop same way, people are drop every day, and people are drop by a gun too. Whole heap. You see my people, and this video here actually paint that image left a stain. You see me, so just imagine if this man here are your family or spread up on the ground and you have this video here. You see me? Just imagine me I tell my people. It no look good, well dirty and mucky, me I tell my people. I say I go send on the video. You see it, if you don't want to shot me a direct message, me send as much people as me can. You see it, and probably have to go tell me this. Well, I won't say the timestamp as to when me say it now, but just link me. You see it, and as me say, a whole heap of people I go link me for the video. You see it, and me can't send everybody at once, and sometimes the message them pop up in my request, and in most cases still, and me have like about changing all the requests, so me have to go through it and send as much as I can. You see it, but you know the thing go from when you link me nah go say no, just link me and me send on it, but it no look good, my people. You see it, rough, and day by day we really and truly understand say Jamaica no one nice country. You see it, I mean you can live alright and everything alright, but at this in the same vein, Jamaica no one nice our country for play with. The man them get wicked out there. You see it, my people. So Jano, I mean, again, if it's your first time here, then sure subscribe to the video, to the channel, should say. You see it, just in case whenever I upload any type of video, you'll be notified. And usually, and as of recent, I'm doing more of these videos, more than entertainment. You see it, my people. So no link me and wanna get the video. Until next time, just for I'm out.